Magandang umaga po sa natin, Alexander Lexter Gilles. Balik tayo para kay Maymay Entrata. Ano itong ginawa mo, Maymay Entrata? Pati tabo ay itinago mo. Parang nakakagulat naman. Ganun ba kamahal ang kaibigan mo at ang kanyang gamit ay kinikip mo for treasure? Narito po ang balitang yan. Ang sabi dito ng kanyang kaibigan. And Hearst, one of the easiest things to do is to celebrate you. Happy birthday, my loves, my. Please know you make my life brighter and more fun by just being you. I miss you and our random series marathon and karaoke nights. I love you so much. You have no idea. P.S. I appreciate your pag-impake ng things ko, but please, I need my tabo back. Bring it when you come visit me here. And check the last slide to see my cry baby BFF. Kanino kaya galing yan? So here she is. Wala pong boses yan. Pero umiiyak lang yan. Pinag-impake ang gamit ng kaibigan. Sino yan? Is it Cynthia? Ay, Patricia? Is it Isabel? Sino ba ang BFF niya? Mga kaibigan, hindi ko po alam. Pero crying baby kasi iiwanan siya ng kaibigan niya at matatapos na yung kanilang moments ng papanood ng Korean telenovela and kanilang karaoke time. O, diba? Pero yes, mga kaibigan, she is, as always, authentic, mga kaibigan. Even Allura Sasam. O, yun pala ang pangalan niya. Allura Sasam ay nagsasabi, ang sabi ni Allura Sasam ay, She is. Sandali, nasaan na ba yun? Allura Sasam, meron akong picture nun. Hindi ko mahanap for now. And I want to share that with you people. Kasi nga po, ang sarap po ng sinabi ng isang Allura Sasam sa isang Marydale Maymay Entrata. Ito ay pagkatapos na i-share niya ang mga photos nila. Sila po ay magyate kasama si Catherine Bernardo, mga kaibigan. Ang sabi niya doon sa kanyang mensahe, parang hindi ko na makita po. Wala, sana kaya yun. Ang sabi niya sa kanyang mensahe doon ay talagang masaya siya sa pagkakaibigan nila ni Maymay Entrata, and that she can always be who she is every time magkasama sila nang walang keme. Kasi nga daw po ay parang feeling niya, ang gaan-gaan ng feeling niya. Kasi parang feel niya, komportable dahil sa napaka-authentic daw ng isang Maymay Entrata every time na magkasama sila. So, anything pwede nilang mapag-usapan at walang takot na ito ay lalabas kung saan man. Dahil daw po ay mapagkakatiwalaan ang isang Marydale Maymay Entrata. So, yes, that's coming from her friend herself, Allura Sasam, mga kaibigan. I'm afraid na-delete ko na po ang image na yan, so hindi ko na po siya ma-share sa inyo, mga kaibigan. But then, yes, anyway, Super Highways, yan po kalala ang pagiging isang totoong kaibigan ng isang Maymay Entrata. Kung kaya hindi tayo nag-wonder nung pinapili si Bianca de Vera between Maymay and Melay, hindi niya maitapon ang ni isa sa kanila. Siguro dahil nakita niya gaano ka-authentic ang mga taong ito. Pero yes, sa balitang Netflix, mga kaibigan, Netflix Philippines, nagbunyag po kahapon ng kanilang anunsyo. Diba? Netflix Philippines sinasabing, aabangan ng buong Pilipinas ang napakalaking proyekto. Ito ay tinatawag nilang bida-bida, kung saan magsama-sama dito ang mga bigating artista na sina Julian Santos, Gladys Reyes, Julina Magdangal, Marvin Agustin, Lovie Poe, Gabby Garcia, Maymay Entrata, at marami pang iba. O diba, mga kaibigan? So kung kaya ang sabi ng mga nakabasa at nakanood na nito, Uy, hihintayin ko ito, sabi ni Mita Razon. Buti na lang at nakasubscribe ako sa Netflix. Congrats to the cast and syempre sa aking mga loves. Ayan. Gianna, can't wait for this. Can't wait to watch. And OMG, sabi naman ni Lucci. I see you in die from Jonathan. And Geraldina Mary, what is this? Na-excite ako. Andito si Maymay. Bagay kay Queen Juday ang outfit na pink, sabi ni Real Queen Juday. Ganda ng 3 queens ng gimmick, Julian Santos, Juliana Magdangal at Gladys Reyes. Mary Ann Ramos is saying, may movie po ba sila magsama-sama sa isang movie? Parang session lang na mag-usap-usap, may rampahan, may chikahan at may bulihan ba, bardagulang mangyayari. Hindi po ako sure pero alamin natin kasi ilalabas yan on May 16 and it's alternate every Friday. Just imagine mga kaibigan. Real Queen Juday, sabi dito pasabog ng Netflix. Thank you po. Andito ang nag-iisang legit queen of all queens, Golden Best Actress and International Best Actress, Julian Santos. Gimmick reunion ba ito? Sabi nila. Pak! Panalo na naman ito, ang sabi ni Lizzie. And Melissa Cataluna says, yay! Abangan ko to dahil nandyan si Mama Entrata. Iilan pa lang yan sila. And for sure, marami pang aabangan mga kaibigan. Lalo na, ito ay pinagsama-sama nila ang mga malalaking artista. And for sure, Riot ang show na ito. Netflix Philippines YouTube channel po mapapanood po. No need subscription kasi nakita natin itong Rumampa si Lovie po, Gabby Garcia and Mama Entrada. Nako, sa Milby nakikita ko dito. Exclusive and explosive. Pasiklaban daw po ng ganda, tangkad, talino, wisdom, o diba? At galingang, ewan ko, meron ba kayang acting ito? Hindi natin alam. Kasi nakita natin dito parang nag-uusap, rumarampa, tumatawa, kaya hindi po natin alam anong mangyayari mga kaibigan. So yes, excited na po ang lahat on this one. Diba? Julian Santos, Gladys Reyes, Mama Entrada, Lovie Poe, and Gabby Garcia, JMD Guzman, Ruru Madrid, Gerald Napoles, Sam Milby, collab pala ito ng GMA Artist at ng ABS-CBN mga kaibigan. So, malaki ang proyekto na ito na pinagsama-samang malalaking artista mga kaibigan. Kaya no wonder marami ang excited for this one. Alexander Lexter Juice. Yan po muna ang ating update. Alexander Lexter Juice. I will see you later for more mga kaibigan. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Tap that bell notification mga kaibigan for you to know kung kailan ako mag-upload ng mga update sa mga artistang mahal nating lahat. O, diba? I will see you later for more.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love